guys and dolls, Divine Diva K here, and I am here to share with you a haul that I did in 2018 of Juvias Place. I am on a low buy this 2019, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't low buy, make sure I didn't buy anything more. And so they had a sale, it was 50% off, and so they have those little popcorn thingies in here. I hate them. So I'm going to kind of pour those out so they get everywhere. And they packaged it really well. I know that at one point there was some issue with their shipping and their ability to ship, but they really packaged this well. So I got two palettes. Well, one eyeshadow palette, and I've been eyeing the blush palette. I got this Saharan 2. It looks so pretty, and I wanted to, of course this is, yeah. I'll be right back. They have this really well taped up. Saharan 2. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. All the colors I love. Beautiful. That blue is gorgeous. I'm not quite sure what I do with that really like duochrome light color. This one right here, I'm not quite sure what I do with that, but oh, beautiful colors, beautiful colors. So this is the Saharan 2. And I just so happen, no, I have the Nubian. Do I have the Saharan straight? No, I have the Nubian and the Nubian 2. So I like this. This is gorgeous. Love it. Very happy I got it. And then the other thing that I got was the blush palette. I wanted to try Juvias Place blushes out. Now, I do have a lot of blushes because I had a bunch of MAC blushes. And I think I did a blush, bronzer, and highlighter video, which I will place up there somewhere up in the cards. But this is the darker, this is the darker of the two blush palettes. I think I'm going to really enjoy using this. And it has like a deeper highlighters, because that's like a highlighting color, and this one's a highlighting color, and these three are mattes. So I'm excited about that. And then, like I need a highlighter, I got a highlighter. Because their pigmentation is so good on their eyeshadows, and I just wanted to try out their, oh, this is like cardboard. This is interesting. So I got the baked highlighter. What color is this? This is a Heroin Glow 1. Let's see if I have my highlighting brush. So I didn't put any highlighter on today. So let's try her out. Nice. This is pretty. I like. Nice color. So that is what I got from Juvias Place. everything was 50% off, so for me that was a good deal. And if you've made it to the end of the video, I know you like my content. So what I will ask you to do is to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below. Also hit the like button. Engage with me. Let me know what you like. Let me know what Juvias Place items that you enjoy. I will see you on my next video.